Hi friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can customize the free shipping bar on your Shopify store using Hextom free shipping bar app. So let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. And I'm using Hextom app for this. I have downloaded this from Shopify App Store. So this Shopify app is a perfect solution to help the store owners to increase the sales by encouraging the customers to spend more to qualify for free shipping. Instead of simply displaying some free shipping offers, the app will show a dynamic progress bar that updates as the customers add products to their cart. So this is their installation page. So I recommend you to go through this because this may contain some overviews and some key points of this particular app. And going down, you can see their pricing plans. So they provide some free plans. So I recommend you to start with their free plan. So because you when you feel this app as beneficial for your online store, then you can just update to their premium plan. And scrolling down, you can see some genuine reviews of different merchants from different stores. So I recommend you to go through all those things, and then if everything is fits for your online store, then you can hit on install button. Make sure that you are logged into your Shopify admin panel first before installing. Once installation is completed, you can see the app in the left hand side of your admin panel. So in this app section, you can see the Hextom shipping bar. So just click on the app and you can see the create button here. So we have to create a new bar and we can then customize it. So on clicking create new bar, we can just have the style templates over here. There are two types of templates over here, like the basic one and the premium one. So premium ones is the one which we need the premium plan to access. Since we are on the free plan, we can have this much options to select. So you can just select any one from this, and this should be a one which the shipping bar to be shown and the online store. So make sure that you are selecting a one which is relevant and which matches to your online theme store. So let's go with its easy one. So the desktop view will be like this, and we can also switch this to other desktop preview also on the mobile preview also. So let's go with the desktop view. So you can change, you can give some relevant or the meaningful name for your shipping bar, and this is on for our own purpose for the internal reference. So make sure that you are giving a proper or a meaningful one so that you can just easily identify this from your list of names. And in the content and style, we can customize each part of our shipping bar. So the amount span, you can just set it as a goal type. So if you want to give a free shipping for $100, they can set the goal type as 100. And if you want to set a no minimum order value is required, because if everything is free or for free shipping will be available for all the products, and so you can set the goal type as 0. And let's go with 1000 now. And yeah, an initial message you can just give as free shipping for orders over 1000. So the gold type will automatically come here. And you can just, if you want to have any other text message after this $1000, you can just give. And let's say like I'm just adding some symbols over here. And in next comes the progress message, that is the only 500 away from free shipping. So this progress message will be changing as per our cart quantity or the cart value. So if $500 is there on the cart, then we will be showing the progress message as $500. Otherwise, and this will be keep on decreasing while the cart amount increases. And the success message, you can see like congratulations, you have got a free shipping. And if you want to change this to any other text, you can also change and customize as per your wish. And if you want to give any call to action, you can just make it as entire bar as clickable, and you can just give the link URL over here. Okay. And if you want to show this as a not like not clickable, then you can just choose the non. And there is an if you want to show a progress bar, then you have to be in a premium paid plan. Since we are on free plan, we don't have the access to use this. And if you want to include a close button in the progress bar, you can just go with this. And you can change the fonts to any other one as per your or which matches to your theme. Let's go with this. And I'm changing the font size to the 19, and padding, let's go with this much. And let's change the color also. So text colors, let's go with some dark black or something. And background color, let's go with the dusty pink. And the special characters, let's make this as kind of yellowish, or which one, this should be in a brighter way. So let's keep this as bright. Yeah. And if you want to give a rounded bar corners, you can just choose that option by clicking this. And you can just go with the currency. So my store is in USD dollar, so I'm not changing this to any other. And you can just display this bar on top bar, pushes down the rest of the page, or always this will be available on all the scrolling. And you can also make this overlapping of the top of the page, something like that. So I'm just going with the top bar pushes down the rest of the page. And we can just also have the option to hide this bar when the cart is empty. And we can also choose the always display. We do have only this option here because the other one is disabled, because we have to be in a paid plan to use this. And now we can just target the pages where should this bars should be display. And I'm just selecting the page as the home page only. And we can also exclude the bar from I'm not changing this, and so I'm just keeping this as not change or the no pages. And device also we can target. So there are some other options also available here, but we are to be in a paid plan to use this. Currently we have the customer targeting as the all customers, hide bar from no one, do not hide from anyone, like this. And after your changes and addition, customization and all, you can just go for saving this. Now the bar is saved successfully. Let's test this up in our online store for now. Now you can see that congratulations, you have got free shipping here. So let's change, or let's decrease the amount. It's from 1,000. Now you can see that only 270 away from free shipping as the progress message is showing. Now like we can just open our product page. Since we have configured this shipping bar to be placed only on the home page, it shows only at the home page. So this product page is not showing that bar. So that's how you can customize a free shipping bar using Hextom app in very easily. If you find this video helpful, just follow our channel, and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.